G'day guys, it's Ben from Snowy's here. Today we're going to have a quick look at the companion framed triple ring burner. Now this one here is a great cooker if you have a large family or a bunch of mates going away and you want to cook up a whole heap at once. It's got the 3 burners and they all pack a massive punch as well. So that's a bit of a closer look at it. Now when you first get this one, the legs don't come attached, so you just got to screw them in. Takes 5 minutes and then you're good to go. It also comes with a hose and your regulator with a POL fitting on the end. So it's good for your 9 kilo gas bottles, but if you've got a smaller gas bottle, you're going to want to get an adapter for it. Now that's it, that's all that's actually included with this. It's pretty simple, but it's really effective. Now, made of cast iron, so it's really tough and rugged, but it's also a bit heavy as well, about 6.5 kilos, so not good for your backpackers. It's quite large as well, so it's about 68 centimeters across, about 35 deep, and it sits about 13 centimeters up off the ground as well. So now for the fun part, let's fire it up. So first of all, like with anything else gas related, gotta make sure your gas bottle's on first. So let's flick that one on. All right, rock and roll. Now I'll just light up the one burner today, so I'll turn on, well let me get my lighter first. So I'm just going to turn on this one in the middle, simply turn the handle, you can hear the gas coming through, and there we go. So once cranked right up, you get about 11,700 BTU per burner, so it's a heck of a lot of heat. I can really feel it coming up already. The thing with that as well though is it also uses a fair bit of gas. So if you've got all 3 burners going at once, it uses about 1,248 grams per hour. So if you've got a 9 kilo gas bowl, you're only going to get around the 7 hours of cooking out of it. So like I said before, the companion triple ring burner is a really great option for large groups, whether it be a big family or plenty of mates going away, cook a lot of food quite quickly. It does come with a 1-year warranty from Companion, and it's available right now on our website, snowys.com.au, with fast free delivery to most of Australia. Till next time, happy camping.